Hi, my name's Lauren, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use SharePoint for file sharing on Office 365. So the first step would be to open up your web browser and enter your password, get yourself logged in. So this is on office.com and I'm on the login page. So you can get this up by just typing in office.com, get yourself signed in. So I'm just using my Windows login. There we are. Stay signed in or not, it's entirely up to you. There we go, and this will bring you to the Office 365 portal homepage. And now what you're able to do is access Outlook, Word, Excel. So you can see this is book one. You might have seen in my other training videos. I made this for one of those yesterday. So I want to share this file with someone, and I'll show you how to do that now. So if you go ahead and open up that file, you can see it's opened up in another tab now. And I'll go to File, I'll go to Share, and then I want to share it with people rather than embedded. So click Share with People. And you can see here, you can either enter in a name or an email address. And you also have some different options that you can choose. So if you click on this arrow here, at the moment, it's sending it to people in my organization and giving them the option to edit this file as well in the link that I'm going to be sending them. So if I click on that arrow, I can either send it to anyone with the link, but in my case, my company has got certain settings which you might find as well. So if you have a message like this and you're trying to send it to somebody outside of your organization, you will need to speak to your administrator and get your settings changed. But it may be some reason for that, maybe something to do with privacy. So if you're seeing this option, you will need to get that sorted with your administrator before you can go ahead and send anybody the link this way. But you can send it to people within your organization, so you can see that's my option here, or you can send it to people with existing access, and you can send it to specific people as well. So if I send it to people within my organization, I can show you here some of the other settings. You can allow editing, or if you untick that box, which I've just done, you can see that they won't be able to edit this Excel document I'm going to send them over. But if I tick that, it will allow them to edit that document and work on it just like I have been. You can also block them from downloading the file if you just wish them to view it, which is quite useful in some scenarios. But in this case, I want to send the file over so that my colleague can open it up and share it and edit just like I can. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that off. I'm going to allow the editing and apply those settings. And then if I go to type in somebody, so just type in myself because I'm using the training email, I can send it right over to myself. I can add another person in, and I can send a little message along with that. So I'm just going to pop in there, hello test, and then I can either copy this link, which you can copy, and you can just literally press copy, it will send that, and you'll be able to then go into an email. So if I just open up Outlook, send a new message, and I'll be able to copy and paste that link right into the email there, and I could then email it to myself and send it that way. And then once I open up that email at the other end, I'll be able to click on the link and open that file right up and either download it or edit it or view it. So you can see now I've just got that email up. And you can see I can open that email up. Clicked on that link now. I've opened up book one, and that's all been done from the email that I've sent. So that's the first way of doing it. Go back to File, Share, Share with People, and I can share it directly from here as well. So if I type myself in, type in here hello test 2 so you can see the difference. send it across that way, and that has now been sent. I can also, so you can see there, it's my second email, so hello test 2. I don't know if you can see that message there, but if I click on that, just very briefly show you, I've got another email here. So there's the first one, there's the second one, and I can directly open that up, and you can see here it says SMG training has shared a file with you, hello test 2. This link will work for anyone within my organization because of the permissions I've chosen when I was sharing that file. So I can open that up, and again it's exactly the same as that first one, so I can close those both down. If I open that up one final time, I'll show you the last way of doing this. Again, file, go to share, share with people. Type myself in again there, and I can share it directly here from this button as well via Outlook, which in most cases, if you're sending an email, you're probably using your Outlook to do that. So that's a really easy way to get that done as well. So you can see it will take me to the online version of Outlook, and it will set me up an email. And as you can see, if I put in here, hello test 3, it's the third way that we've sent this file today. Press send, and you can see I now have a third email with that link. If I click on it, again, it opens up Excel Book 1, and you can see that file is exactly the same as the other two and those two methods that I've sent. So 3 different ways that I've just shown you to share from SharePoint. And the result is that the file obviously stays exactly the same, which is what we want, which is great. So I can close all of this down now, and you can see this is that file. I can save that file, print it, or I can just close it now because I've done what I need to do, and you can see that file is there. So if I want to go ahead and share that with anybody else, I can do. I hope you find this video useful. If you need any further support, please give our help desk a call, which you will see on the next screen. Thank you.